Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Arin. Today we will solve IMO 2020-21 question paper set A for class 4. The first section is logical reasoning. Question number 1. Which of the following options will complete the given series? 18, 36, 72, 144 and missing number. So 18 times 2 is 36. 36 times 2 is 72. 72 times 2 is 144. So 144 times 2 will be 288. So answer is option A, 288. Question number 2. Select the correct mirror image of the given word. I have already provided the mirror image, but let's write down again. So E will become like this and Z will become like this. There will be no change in A. There will be no change in M. So it will remain same. So which option looks similar? It is option C. So our answer is option C. Question number 3. In a certain code language, some letters are coded as follows. Find the code for the watch. So W is this C with the circle, A is 1, T is 2, C is 8 and H is at the rate. So our correct option is option D, C128 at the rate, which is here. Question number 4. There is a certain relationship between the pair of letters on either side of double colon. Identify the relationship and find the missing pair. So we have to find the relationship between the left hand side and we have to apply the same relationship on the right hand side. So let's see here. L and P have a gap of 4. So L, M, N, O, P. So plus 4 equals to P. T and W is having a gap of 3. So T, U, V, W. And X and Z is having a gap of 2. While O and P is having a gap of 1. So we will apply the same thing on the right hand side. J plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will become N. K plus 3, 1, 2, 3, then again N. Then T plus 2 will become V and N plus 1 become O. So our answer is NNVO, which is option B. Question number 5. In a row of boys, Rohit is 12th from the right hand and 18th from the left hand. How many total boys are there in the row? So if we count from the left hand side, it's 18th. And if we count from the right hand side, he is 12th. So let's add 12 and 18. So it becomes 30. But 12th from the right hand and 18th from the left hand is the same person, which is Rohit. So we need to subtract the 1. So 12 plus 18 minus 1 equals to 29. So there are 29 boys in the row. So our answer is option A. Question number 6. If yesterday was Tuesday, then blank will be day after tomorrow. So it is given yesterday was Tuesday. So what is today? Today is Wednesday. Then what will be tomorrow? It will be Thursday, and day after tomorrow it will be Friday. So our answer is option D, Friday. Question number 7. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. Let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in the given figure we have 12 triangles. So our answer is option C. Question number 8. Select the odd one out. So let's look at the option A, M, O, W. If you see A, B and D, all three are made of straight lines or the slanting lines. But the O is made of curved lines. So it is odd one out. So our answer is option C. Question number 9. Ritika is facing towards airport. if she makes 5 by 8 turns anti-clockwise and then 1 by 8 turn clockwise, then she will be facing towards blank. So if you see, it's a circle and it is divided into 8 parts and she is facing airport. Now she will take a turn of 5 by 8 anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is this direction. So she will take 5 parts. So let's move 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now she is facing railway station. But then again she will take 1 by 8 turn clockwise. Clockwise is this direction. So she will move again 1 by 8 part. So one part she will move towards park. Then she will be facing the park. So our answer is option D, park. Question number 10. Study the given information carefully and answer the following question. Harsh is older than Vinay. So let's arrange everything in descending order. So Harsh is older than Vinay. Harsh is greater than Vinay. Vishal is younger than Vinay. So Vinay is older than Vishal. So we can write Vinay is greater than Vishal. Anshu is younger than Harsh but older than Vishal. So Anshu will be in the middle of Harsh and Vishal, and younger than Harsh, so less than Harsh and greater than Vishal. If Vinay is younger than only Harsh, then the correct descending order according to their age is. So it is fixed that Vinay is younger than Harsh only. So Harsh will be the oldest and then Vinay. Now let's see the Anshu and Vishal arrangement. So Anshu is greater than Vishal and Vinay is greater than Vishal. So Anshu will come here and then Vishal. So correct descending order will be Harsh, Vinay, Anshu and Vishal, which is option B. So our answer is option B. Now we are in mathematical reasoning section. Question number 11. Find the value of P and Q respectively. So P equals to 84,956 minus 43,214, which is equals to 41,742. Q is P plus 32,405. So Q equals to 41,742 plus 32,405, which is equal to 74,147. So our answer is option A. Question number 12. Which should not be placed in the box to have the numbers in order from the greatest to the least? So it is 7,952, 5,642 and 2,341. Let's see which cannot be placed in place of question mark. So if we put 2,431 is still in the descending order. If we put 3,241 is still in the descending order. If we put 5,611 is still in the descending order as it is less than 5,642. But if we put 5,946, it is more than 5,642, so it won't be stay in the descending order. So our answer is option D. Question number 13. Find the value of P plus Q plus R plus S. Let's see. Q minus 4 equals to 1. So Q will be 4 plus 1, which is 5. Let's see what will be the S. 7 minus 2 equals to S. So S will also be 5. Now if you see here, P minus 7 equals to 1. So P will be 7 plus 1, which is 8. Now let's see here, 9 minus R equals to 3. So R will be 9 minus 3, which is 6. So we have all the values P, Q, R, S. Let's add all these numbers. So we have total is 24. So our answer is option C. Question number 14. Which of the following figures has at least one pair of perpendicular lines? So here we are not able to find any perpendicular lines. If we see here it's a pair of perpendicular line. Here also no pair of perpendicular line. Here also we don't have any perpendicular lines. So our answer is option B. Question number 15. How many 1/5 will make one whole? So 1/5, then total will be 5. So 5 of 1/5 will make one whole. So our answer is option A. Question number 16. Compare and fill in the box. So these are Roman numerals. We have to calculate their values and then we need to compare. Let's see the left hand side. So first is DCC x CV. So D is 500, C is 100. So CC will be 2 times 100, 200. XC, C is 100 and X is 10. So 100 minus 10, 90. And V is 5. So total value is 795. Let's see CM, XC, IV. So CM, M is 1000, C is 100. So it is 1000 minus 100, 900, which is given here. XC, C is 100, X is 10. So 100 minus 10, 90. IX, X is 10, I is 1. So 10 minus 1, 9, which is given here. So it is total value is 999. So 795 plus 999 is 1794. Let's see the right hand side. DCCL triple XVII. So D is 500, CC is 100 times 2 times 100, 200. L is 50, X is 10, 3 times X 30, V is 5, I is 1, so 2 times 2. So total value is 787. Now let's see the value of CDLXI. So D is 500 and C is 100. So 500 minus 100, 400. L is 50, X is 10, I is 1. So total value is 461. So right hand side is 787 plus 461, which is 1248. So 1794 is greater than 1248. So our answer is option A. Question number 70. The sum of place values of 8 and 6 in the number 86,000 is. So place value of 8 is 80,000 and 6 is 6,000. So we will add, then we will get 86,000. So our answer is option D. Question number 18. Given figure is made up of a square and a rectangle. Find the length of LK. So length of LK is same as NK because MLKN is a square. So let's find the value of NK, which will be HI minus GN minus KJ. So it is 19 minus 6 minus 3 equals to 10 centimeter. So our answer is option D, 10 centimeter. Question number 19. There are blank multiples of 5 from 20 to 80. Let's write down the multiple of 5 between 20 to 80. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. So let's count it as total is 13. So our answer is option D, 13. Question number 20. Shikhar is celebrating his birthday party with his friends. Party is over at 8 p.m. If the party starts at the time shown in the given clock, then how long was the party? So the time shown in the clock is 5 and it is at the 7, so 35. So 5:35 p.m. party starts and it's get over by 8 p.m. So duration of the party is 8 p.m. minus 5:35 p.m. So 5:35 to 6 is 25 minutes and 6 to 8 is 2 hours. So total is 2 hours 25 minutes, which is option B. Now we are in everyday mathematics section. Question number 21. A pasta recipe requires 3 by 11 gram of cheese. Another pasta recipe requires 8 by 11 gram of cheese. how much more cheese is required in second recipe than the first recipe. So we need to subtract 3 by 11 gram from 8 by 11 gram. So if we subtract, we will get 5 by 11 gram. So our answer is option A. Question number 22. Sachin has rupees 37,683 in his bank account. After 2 days, he withdraws rupees 13,435 from his account. Finally, he deposited rupees 1,829 in his account. How much amount of money is in Sachin's account now? So initially he had 37,683 rupees. Then he withdraws, so minus 13,435 rupees. Then he deposited means plus 1,829. So we will get 26,077 rupees, which is option B. Question number 23. Anju plants 24 saplings in each of the 16 rows. How many saplings did Anju plant? So total number of saplings will be 24 times 16. So 24 multiplied by 16. We can make it simple by writing 24 times 10 plus 24 times 5 plus 24. So 24 times 10 equals to 240. Half of this will be 24 times 5, which is 120 plus 24. So total will be 384. So our answer is option D. Question number 24. Tarun had 250 kilogram flour in his shop. He sold 1/5 of it on Monday and 1/10 of it on Tuesday. How much total quantity of flour did he sell in both the days? So he sold 1/5 on Monday and 1/10 on Tuesday. So let's count the total. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 equals to 3 by 10. So 3 by 10th of the 250 kg flour. So it comes out 75 kg. So he sold total 75 kg of flour in 2 days. So our answer is option B. Question number 25. Karthik folded a rectangular napkin along the dotted line as shown. Find the difference between the perimeter of the napkin after folding and before folding. So perimeter will still remain the same because he has not cut the paper. He has just folded. So difference between the perimeter will be 0. So our answer is option A. Question number 26. Manya walked 465 km in the month of July. If she walked same distance on each day, then find the distance she walked in one day. So in July we have 31 days. So and in total 31 days she walked 465 km. So in one day she covered the distance 465 km divided by 31, which is 15 km. So our answer is option B. Question number 27. A shopkeeper sold 85 fans in a month. If the cost of one fan is rupees 480, then how much amount of money did he earn in the month? So he sold 85 fans and one fan is rupees 480. So we need to multiply 85 and 480. So 85 times 480. To make the calculation easy, we can do 100 times 480 minus 10 times 480 and 5 times 480 because it is 85. So we are multiplying by 100 and subtracting by 15, 10 and 5. So 480 times 100 equals to 48,000. 480 times 10 equals to 4800 and 480 times 5 will be half of this, which is 2400. So after doing all the calculation we will get 40,800, which is option A. Question number 28. A restaurant can accommodate 5,200 guests. If there are 1,205 adults and 1,820 children in the restaurant, then how many more guests can be accommodated in the restaurant? So it can accommodate 5,200 guests. How many are already there? 1,205 plus 1,820. So we need to subtract these two amounts from 5200. So 5200 minus 1205 minus 1820, which is equal to 5200 minus 3025 equals to 2175. So restaurant can accommodate another 2175 guests. So our answer is option A. Question number 29. If the cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 96, then find the cost of 1 banana. So in 1 dozen there is 12 bananas. So in 4 dozen there is 12 times 4, which is 48 bananas. So 48 bananas cost is 96. So 1 banana cost is 96 divided by 48, which is rupees 2. So our answer is option B. Question number 30. The cost of some snacks are given below. If Hershey bought 2 cupcakes, 5 patties and 3 cold drinks and 3 muffins, then how much she has to pay? So let's calculate the total amount she needs to pay. So 2 cupcake, the price of cupcake is rupees 50. So 2 times 50, which we have written here, plus 5 patties. 5 times patties price is 25. So 5 times 25. Then next is 3 cold drinks. So each cold drink is for rupees 50. So 3 times 50. Then 3 muffins. Muffin cost is rupees 30. So 3 times 30. So now let's everything. 2 times 50 100, 5 times 25 125, 3 times 50 150 and 3 times 30 90. So total is 465. So our answer is option D, 465. Now we are in Achievers section. Question number 31. The given graph shows the number of toys 5 children have. Which of the following statement is incorrect according to the given information? Ankur and Rajat have same number of toys. So Ankur has 50, Rajat is also having 50. So is correct. Bharat has twice as many toys as Amit has. So Amit has 30 and Bharat has 60. So Bharat is having 2 times of Amit toys, which is also correct. Rajat and Mohit have 90 toys altogether. So how many Rajat have? He is having 50 and Mohit is having 40. So 50 plus 40, 90. This is also correct. Amit has maximum number of toys. So who has maximum number of toys? Is Bharat, not Amit. So this statement is incorrect. So our answer is option D. Question number 32. Find the value of R times S divided by P plus Q. So let's see here. So here 86 times 1, 86. Then 99 minus 86, 13. We will bring the 4 down. Then 86 times P equals to 86. So 86 times 1 equals to 86. So P value is 1. Now 134 minus 86 equals to 4Q. So we know 134 minus 86 is 48 and equals to 4Q. So Q value is 8. Now Q value is 8. This will become 481. Then 481 minus 430 equals to 51. Now we will bring the S down. So S is 6, which we are bringing it down. So S value is 6. Now 86 times R equals to 516. So 86 times R equals to 516. So R is 516 divided by 86, which is 6. So now we have all the values P, Q, R, S. So let's calculate this. R times S is 36 divided by P plus Q, which is 1 plus 8. So 9. So 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. So our answer is option A, 4. Question number 33. Match the following and select the correct option. So P is given this. Let's calculate its numerical value. Cm is 900. Triple X, X is 10, so triple X is 30. V is 5 and I is 1. So 900 plus 30 plus 5 plus 1, which is 936. Now calculate the value of this term. CD is 400, double X is 20, V is 5 and triple I will be 3. So total is 400 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3, which is 428. So total is 1364. Let's calculate the value of Q. Again CD is 400. Then we have the value of L, which is 50. Then we have 3x 30. Then we have V 5. So 400 plus 50 plus 30 plus 5, which is 485. Let's see the value of this term. So this is D is 500, C is 100, triple C is 300, L is 50 and I is 1, so double I is 2. So 500 plus 300 plus 50 plus 2 equals to 855 and the total value of Q is 1337. Let's see the R. Triple C, so C is 100, triple C is 300. L is 50, X is 10 and IX is 9. So IX is 9 here. So 300 plus 50 plus 10 plus 9, which is 369. Let's see the value of DXX V triple I. So value of D is 500, X is 20, so double X is, X is 10, so double X is 20, V is 5 and I is 1, so triple I is 3. So 500 plus 20 plus 5 plus 3, which is 528, so total value is 897. Let's see the S. So D is 500, L is 50, X is 10, so double X is 20 and I is 1, so triple I is 3. So 500 plus 50 plus 20 plus 3 equals to 573. Let's see the value of DXIX. So D is again 500, X is 10 and IX is 9. So total value is 500 plus 10 plus 9, 519, and after adding this S will become 1092. Let's see the value is in column 2. So M is 1000, C is 100, so triple C is 300, X is 10, so triple X is 30, V is 5 and I is 1, so double I is 2. So 1000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 1137. Let's see the value of MXCII. M is 1000, XC is 100 minus 10 90, so we have written 90. I is 1, so double I is 2, so total is 1092. Let's see the value of 3. M is 1000, C is 100, so triple C is 300, L is 50, X is 10 and IV will be 4 here. So total value is 1364. Let's see the value of this. D equals to 500, triple C will be 300, X C equals to 90, V is 5 and II is 2. So total is 897. So P is 3, Q is I and R will be 4 and S will be 2. So correct answer is option C. Question number 34. Study the alphabets of the word given below and answer the following question. Word is title. What fraction of letters are vowel in the given word? So we have two vowel I and E and the total number of alphabets are 5. So 2 by 5 is the fraction of letters of vowel. So 2 by 5 it can be A or B. Let's see the second. What fraction of letters are consonants in the given word? So we have 3 consonants. Total is 5. So 3 by 5. So our answer is option A, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. Question number 35. Select the incorrect statement. If any two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. This is correct. If all the three sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle. This is also correct. A square has all its sides of equal measure. This is also correct. A rectangle has all its sides of different measure. No, it's not correct because opposite sides are of same length. So our answer is option D.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.